Lana. Why don't you come inside and share a nice cool lemonade with me?
Oh, I'm just getting a breath of fresh air away from them.
Jack's most likely waiting until things get a bit quieter here.
Well, of course. I mean, he can't just ride up in broad daylight. They'd spot him a mile away. Honey, how many men have asked you to ride off with them, maybe even marry up with them?
More than I can count.
Well, start counting, darling. Or one day you're gonna be standing on some dusty porch waiting for a knight in shining armor that really ain't a knight at all, just some gritty old cow.
What? Shut up. Just shut up and drive. Righty, ma'am. Kincaid gang. Huh. Hey, Ben. Relax. Lana will be all right. That's just a hick town, no sheriff. Besides, it's been 2 weeks and no one's looking for us. Yep. We did the perfect crime, kid. And no one will ever know about it.
Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Did you get everything, honey? Any problems?
Maybe. Ben, why don't you check my supplies, make sure I packed them nice and tight. Newspaper got a letter with this bank manager's watch as proof. The letter says that you were the mastermind behind the robbery, that you double-crossed the Kincaid gang. They even pointed out your photograph. And Jack, the letter was signed Comanche.
Read out that part underneath my likeness. Read it out loud.
$10,000 reward for Mr. Lightning Jack Kane. Described by Marshal Kurtz as meaner than a rattlesnake and twice as cunning. Oh, Ben. Why?
$10,000 reward. Ha! Man are a rattlesnake. Twice as cunning. $10,000. Oh, cunning rattle. That's it's an Indian ritual. Comanches. We better get rolling. Every lawman in the territory's gonna be looking for me and Ben. Maybe every lawman in the country. Great. Hey, Ben. We're the Kane gang. Outlaws.
Jack, folks in town said this trail leads through hostile Apache country.
Good. See this? It's a spirit bag. Bought it off an Apache medicine man. That makes me a full-blood brother to the Apache. I'm practically family. It's only $50.
Well, even if it works for you, what about me and Ben?
No problem. See, this covers my whole family. I just tell them you're my wife, and Ben's our kid. Anyway, relax. There ain't an engine within 100 miles of here. I can tell.